We are pleased to show you the 2020 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.